I'm searching how to buy shares of Vericel Corporation to show the steps. Vericel develops advanced cell therapies and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker VCEL. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker VCEL to locate the listing. Select the result that matches Vericel Corporation on NASDAQ to open the asset page. On the asset page, check the company overview, sector details, and the price chart for VCEL. Confirm the company name, ticker, and basic information to make sure it is the correct stock. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to allocate, and choose Order Options. Then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After the trade completes, your new position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is available in the description for reference.